This is come at an opportune time. We never have enough extension cords putting up Christmas lights here. So this right here is a 15-foot 6-outlet extension cord. Let me show it to you. So I like a few things about this. A, it's 15 feet long, so it's gonna stretch from my porch all the way out to where I need it in the yard for the lights. The quality feels real good. I can see the connections, the 3 prongs in there. The wires are a large gauge, and the whole thing is built for outdoor use, very solid. It's got 1 here, 2 here, 2 here, and then 1 over here. So you can have some bigger plugs on these 2 sides, and then you've got 2 regular size on both of these 2 sides. 6 things total can plug into this. It's got this on and off button right there, which I really like, kind of like some of these power strips where you can just turn it off with that instead of having to manually unplug this from the wall. Quality product. I'm gonna go install it outside now. Now here's what I'm replacing, because this is an actual indoor strip. So I want all these guys plugged in to something that's a little better quality. And there is enough room for these bigger connections to sit side by side each other, just barely. And it's working just like it's supposed to.